Welcome, my fellow traders, once again to our weekly market outlook and recaps. If you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. And all right, I will first of all we start with DXY like we normally start. I'm starting first of all with DXY. Okay, this is a weekly time frame. Like we did predicted that we expect bullish on the DXY, and price exactly did that, and we have taken out this high now. Like we did predicted, we expecting higher price for two or 3 weeks now. We previous week, and if you watch our two last video, you will see what we are talking about. Okay, that's out of the way. This is a weekly chart. Okay, let's go back to weekly chart. We gap up, then you see we rally up, and we are now rejecting this weekly fair value gap here. This weekly fair value gap here, this that turned to inversion, we now rejecting here, and this order block here, we taking out liquidity here, and we are respecting this order block here. So so we might see a little bit retracement. That is exactly what we did. But as we stand here now, due to uncertainty in the Middle East, and I think if there is no truce as we go forward, there is no room for de-escalation, stuff like that. We can still expect this buy sides of liquidity to be taken. We might just come and tap this level, or we can from this level using this fair value gap here on 4 hour. See this this is a fair value gap. We can come here and tap using the upper side of this and continue to push higher. But that all of that has to do with if there is no de-escalation in the Middle East. So we have that in mind, and we'll be watching price. How does it react to this level? Does it has any issue to go down? And this I call this is a breaker or something. I call this a breaker. So if this level, I will be very watchful of this level. I will be watching how do price react to this, and if I'm bullish, I will expect that we can come in here and with immediate speed move higher like this. Or if we don't see that, then we can expect break and retest to come and clear this down. That is for DXY. Then on Euro USD, this is a inverse of DXY. Like we predicted, we are inversing this DXY. So we did expect this downside, and you can agree with me that euro, they are more likely to be they are more likely going to be impacted by this war that is going on, so compared to US. So that is why we saw this very huge down candle here. So, and that is that. So inverse of this, inverse of what we have on DXY. So we'll be expecting some bearishness. I will be looking at how do price we might open and gap down. So we don't know the opening price. In all eyes should be on the Middle East. So all the macro sentiment and all of that, they are all downwards. So we'll still be expecting a downward price movement. Then pounds USD. As at now on pounds USD, the way price tap this sell side liquidity here and retrace back, price might likely push higher, but there is no all hope lost. So price might likely push higher since you reached, but this place is will be a very strong level for him to, will be a very, this gap, price might likely come and test this gap and continue to go down. So that is my price expectation on euro, on pounds USD. Then we head to Nasdaq. Nasdaq has been a very frustrating pair to trade, sincerely speaking. We all know that the expectation are downwards, but the price has been very ugly. So far that's very ugly. If you watch since February 17, over 8 months now, so price has been very ugly. And US30 kind of more better compared to this. Probably they hold this on this consolidation, so they're holding it here. We don't know what they want to do. As it stands here, we still be watching short term. We can see something like this come back again for retracement, go down. To buy, have to go up like this, then come up on a daily time frame. So that will be my analysis on that. Then on S&P 500, you can see this one is clearly bearish. Okay, but we are testing this. Okay, we have not tested this other block here, break here. So we will watch how price will react to this level, but I'm still expecting lower prices if what is still happening in the Middle East continue. So we are still expecting lower prices here. This is liquidity that needs to be taken. Then this is February US30. This kind of more nicer price action compared to the previous two we have. This is kind of more nicer price action. Okay, nicer compared to what we have so far. So as it stands here now on a weekly time frame on this pair, we are testing this level. Right now we are still testing this level, and so we are testing this other block. And if the issue in the Middle East still continue, we would like price to use this this daily fair value gap. You can use that as a resistance to push higher. But if you want to push up, we can see some, we will have to expect some bullish sign before we can see something like this before we can push higher. But as it stands here, the sentiment still remain bearish. So we still look at the downward price. Then we go to gold. Gold, we have been since February 2nd, we predicted this up move. We were expecting this price to keep pushing higher, and see what's that really happened here. Price it opened higher, then came back to test this other block here, then before begin to the retrace lower. And if you go to daily time frame, you will see what price actually did there. Price came back testing this other block here, then respecting this fair value gap and this inducement here. So prices, as far as price is within this fair value gap here, so anything in a lower time frame, now you can look for an entry for this one to keep pushing higher. So in all the whole chart, this is more clearer signal on a daily time frame for a buy on gold. All right, okay guys, that will be all for now. If you are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button.